Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Open your leg wide and toes pointing out. Inhale, exhale, bend your knee deep. Your thigh parallel to the floor. And both fists on in front of your chest. Inhale deep, exhale. Imagine punching it out. Inhale, bring your fist back. As you exhale, and sharply bring your left fist out. So we're gonna repeat here. And now relax. Inhale, exhale, forward bend. Now bring your head to the left. And head to the right. Center body loose. Arms heavy. And roll up. Inhale, exhale, bend your knee deep again. Here, goddess pose. We're gonna do lion breath here. Inhale through the nose. As you exhale, open your mouth as wide as you can and hands pointing down as if you are touching the chin, and then roll your eyes up. Ready? Inhale. And relax. Now, we're gonna do twisted goddess pose. Inhale, exhale, twist. Back. Inhale, exhale, bend your knees and twist. Back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Fire your body. And now, lay down on your belly. And right arm stretch out. And left palms underneath your shoulder. And roll your body to the right and left sole of your foot down and gaze up. So chest, shoulder opener position. Inhale, exhale, roll over. Sternum lifting up, gaze up, Dorishji, gaze up. Try to feel the openness on your shoulder. Inhale, exhale, roll back to center and let's do the other side. Left arm stretch out to the side. Now right palm underneath your shoulder and roll your body to the left. Use the right leg as a support and gaze up. Try to feel the openness and create space in between chest and shoulder. And slowly back to center and lay down on your back. And legs up. Yeah, just bounce your leg, kick your leg up. With sharp exhale. Let go of any clutter mind out. Kick it out. Push it out. And now slowly bring your legs down. And keep one hand on the chest and on your heart. And other on your belly. Deep inhale. Open mouth side out, let it go. Now you are refreshed, you are retuned, and you are open, and you are centered. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!